Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Pixie Pop Tarot. This is the 1909 artwork adapted by Jillian C. Wilde. Thank you so much to Jillian for sending this my way. I am excited to see this. This retails for $49.99 in the US, and of course, everywhere that you can purchase this or check Jillian out will be linked in the description box below. So let's get into it. Pixie Pop Tarot is based on the illustrations of Pamela Pixie Coleman Smith, the often overlooked visionary artist behind the Rider-Waite Tarot deck. The original 1909 artwork has been modernized to include vibrant pops of color and diversity. Includes 79 borderless cards sized for all hands and a 108-page guidebook. All right. There we have Pixie right there. And a tuck box. Ooh, they are black edged. Nice. Oh, P.S. We love you. Cute. Okay. Oh, love that. That must be the 79th card. Oh, okay. So before we get into the cards, let's just take a peek at the guidebook here. Card meanings are based on the traditional Rider-Waite Smith deck. Okay. We've got some info about Pixie, table of contents, so cleansing and shuffling the cards, questions, info about the major and minor arcana, suits, court cards, about the ombre skies, ombre color meanings, and then the information of each card, and then spreads and more. All right. Ombre skies. The color combinations, while they make cards pop, they have been thoughtfully selected to complement the cards and their meanings. While we preserved the original background color of the cards, we took creative liberties with the skies. Ombre colors were chosen based on the elemental suit, intuitive and emotional resonance, as well as chakra colors and spiritual meanings. Okay, and then ombre color meanings right there. Very cool. And I know that there was some spreads back here. Here we go, the spreads. We've got a card a day, 3-card spread, visionary spread, and then special consideration. The visionary card is Pixie. Oh, okay. Lots of info. All right, here is the card size. Wow, I like it. It's not so much a pocket, but it's a little bit bigger than that. Infinity sign. It's a matte. Nice cardstock. It is not too thin, not too medium thickness. It's a sweet spot right in the middle. All right. That's so pretty. And then, oh, so on the back here is the altar card. Aw. Sweet. We'll put that aside. I do like the addition of the ombre in the sky. It definitely adds a little bit more modernness to it, as well as pops really well. This would make a great travel deck too with the size. Love, that's so pretty. Love this. It's just really catchy. It adds a little bit more magic into the art. Love the diversity that's added in. That's a fun Wheel of Fortune. Ooh. nice. All right. Okay, so we do never mind, I was wrong. So this is the visionary card. This is the altar card. Love that. Okay. All right. Wands. I really like that they're borderless. That is really pretty. This is very tie-dye adjacent. I have a love for tie-dye. This feels respectful while still making it feel more inclusive and modern. I really do like the size of it. Those with small hands, definitely, I recommend checking this out. Ooh. Swords. Ooh. And pentacles. That green really pops. All right, let's look at how it shuffles. Those black edges are really pretty. Ooh, nice. Yeah, I really like this size. And overhand, just as nice. Let's get a card to read, please. Okay, 5 of Cups. This is how it looks. Five of Cups depicts a sorrowful man in a long black coat fixated on Three of Cups. These cups are knocked over, rendering the contents unusable. Two upright cups are behind him. The man is so focused on his failures and disappointments, he can't see the cups of potential behind him. There is a bridge to a castle, encouraging him to move through his emotional turmoil as abundance is on the other side. When this card is drawn, things haven't worked out the way that you imagined. Hurt from regret and unmet expectations may come up. Explore these painful feelings with self-compassion. Forgive yourself and others. Perhaps turn to a higher power to ease the burden. Begin to take steps toward healing and lift your head so you may see new opportunities. Upright keys: deep hurt, disappointment, defeatist. Reversed keys: forgiveness, acceptance, and going forward. All right. Very detailed description. I like that. I just wanted to take a peek at the visionary here. So we'll use her card as an example. Okay, the impactful visionary card is asking you to go inward and listen to the call of your heart. Pixie, in her quiet confidence, is surrounded by greenery and vines, symbolizing creative expression and potential. The mountains in the background depict that although there could be challenges, you can achieve your goals. Now is the time to follow your dreams and intuitive guidance. Divine inspiration speaks through you. Trust spirit and the path before you. It can feel uneasy and scary not knowing where you are going. While you can't predict the outcome, your soul seeks adventure and fulfillment. There is great magic, wisdom, and richness on this path. Never allow what may feel like a failure to stop you. Consider it a catalyst to something more. Others may not understand, accept, or have faith in you. Their path is not yours. Trust the otherworldliness of your visions and allow your imagination to guide your way. Okay, upright keys: vision, soul alignment, inspiration, and reverse keys: blocked, disconnected, and forcing situations. I feel like this was done with so much respect toward Pixie and the original, material, while making it something fresh and inclusive. And I am really excited about the size of this. I think this is done really well. I love how much respect was paid to Pixie. I think that was just so wonderfully well thought out. And I love that they added not only an altar card, but a visionary card as well. On the back of the altar card, it says, "This deck is for the visionaries, the dreamers, the seekers, the lovers, the mystics. This separate card is a gift as a thank you for supporting indie deck creators. Stay true to your vision. Learn from everything and see everything, and above all, feel everything. Find eyes within, look for the door into the unknown country." Pixie. So wonderfully done. I love the guidebook here. The detailed information in this is so nice to have, especially if you are someone just starting out or still needing help with the, intuitive hits and the meanings and that sort of a thing. This is definitely a guidebook that can help you gather all the information that you need, make sense out of the cards. So wonderfully done. I really enjoy it. Let me know if you own this particular deck, if this is something that you're excited about, if this is something that you've never heard of before. Let me know all of your thoughts down below in the comments. Thank you again to Jillian C. Wilde for sending this my way. I am thrilled with the outcome, and thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.